In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drastically increase your Wi-Fi speed on an Xbox console. To significantly improve our download speed, we are going to switch our Wi-Fi from using the 2.4 GHz band to using the 5 GHz band. Virtually all routers manufactured within the last 5 years support both frequency bands. By simply logging into our router and changing our Wi-Fi band, we can dramatically increase our download speed. This is one of the few methods that will actually increase your download speed. On some routers, they will be broadcasted as separate networks, and it will be a matter of simply choosing the 5 GHz band. I am now going to run the built-in speed test to highlight the differences in speed. My connection is successful. Now we will run the speed test. As you can see, we are getting about 25 megabits per second of download speed. The router was placed about 20 feet away. Now we will rerun the test on the Netgear Nighthawk using the 5 GHz band. I am now connecting to the 5 GHz network. I am running the speed test. As you can see, our download speeds have nearly doubled. Our upload speeds have also increased significantly. If your router supports 5 GHz, you want to make sure you are connecting using the 5 GHz band. As you can see, this has a drastic effect on performance. Please check out my featured video where I show you how to find the fastest DNS server based on your location.